Umkhuleko kazwelonke obuhlanganisa amahlelo amabandla ezenkolo ehlukene angaphezulu kwama-30 uchazwe njengobalulekile kulezi inselele ezibhekene nezwe. Kunxuswe ukuqedwa kobuba, udlame oluyamene nobulili, inkohlakalo nokuntuleka kwamathuba omsebenzi okukhahlameza kakhulu imiphakathi entulayo.
Violence in so many overlapping spaces, reducing many to a life without dignity. Poverty of unimaginable desperation, social tensions that hold communities in bondages of hostility and pain, corruption that is as brazen as it is theft from the poor, fear and insecurity that makes the whole society distrusting.
Wesikhulu esiphezulu seMotsipe Foundation, uDokotela Precious Moloi Motsipe, unxusa abaholi bezwe ukuthi babeke phambili izidingo zezakhamuzi.
To our business leaders and government leaders, your visionary leadership and resources must transform our prayers into tangible action. Let us strive to build a South Africa where prosperity is shared, justice is upheld, and every citizen can thrive.
Abaholi bamabandla abaphinde bakhulekela ikusasa lezwe.
We pray for unity, for reconciliation, and for a deep sense of community that transcends our differences. May our prayers be a calm to the soul of our nation. May our collective voices rise up to the heavens, seeking guidance, strength, and blessings of our beloved South Africa.
Izinkumbi zabantu bezithamele lo mkhuleko zizithokozise nangomculo wokholo. Lo mkhuleko kazwelonke usubanjwa kwesihlanu kulonyaka njengoba waqala ngo-2017.